Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the Vimeo logo and share button from your videos. So let's get started. First, go to the official Vimeo website and make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, select the video from which you want to remove these elements. On the right hand sidebar, click on Player. From there, you can easily enable or disable the share button and Vimeo logo. Simply toggle them off and save your changes. That's it. So easy, right? You have successfully removed the Vimeo logo and share button from your video. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.